Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, finally you cracked the examination of class ninth. Now you are in 10th. Better move is to visit some coaching centers, tuition centers. Our government is about to arrange the mentor tutorials. Go physically there and have physical classes because this virtual mode is not the substitute at all to, for the physical mode of teaching. Dear students, but to some extent, this mode is facilitating you as the COVID 19 pandemic made schools set, or the schools were set in the whole academic year of 2021. Dear students, hard work and self study is the way to get every barrier crossed. Dear students, today we are dealing with your first poem in your English textbook, that is Prayer. Dear student, it is originally written by G.A. Mahjoor, Gullah Ahmad Mahjoor. His real name was Peer Zada Gullah Ahmad Mahjoor. He was born on 11 August 1887. 11 August 1887 in Mitrigram area of South Kashmir. He died on April 9, 1952 at the age of 66, but in 2013 the former Prime Minister of India issued postage stamp in his honor on 26th of June 2013. Dear students, the man being the superior creature on the earth is ultimately helpless and submissive to Almighty Allah. Dear students, the same poem is addressed to God. In this poem, G. A. Mahjoor begs before Almighty that the knowledge should be poured on him and how far he will reside, dwell in ignorance. He prays before Almighty to remove all his weaknesses and give him strength to live as a good human being. Dear students, remember this prayer is addressed to God. In this poem, G. A. Mahjoor prays before Almighty Allah that no doubt the man is superior on the earth, but ultimately he is submissive to Allah and always helpless, and he should never remain in ignorance for much of time. So Allah should remove his ignorance and should pour some knowledge, nectar on him so that he can live a very good human life. Dear students, G. A. Mahjoor says in this poem, no doubt I am in a human form, but I lack all human things. I am away from the humanity and don't put me in tests in trials. That if you are going to put me in trials and tests, the human form I have will be defamed, will be disshaped. Dear students, this is the crux of the poem. I am repeating the things. Dear students, the poem prayer is originally written by G. A. Mahjoor. Mahjoor was born on 11th August 1887 in Mitrigram area of South Kashmir, and he died on 9 April 1952, but the former Prime Minister of India, Mr. Manmohan Singh, issued a postage stamp in his honor on June 26, 2013. The same poem is written originally by G.A. Mahjur, that's prayer. The poem is addressed to God. The Mahjur says that man, being the superior on the earth, superior than other creatures, but always is helpless and submissive to Allah. He requests praise in a desperate manner and earnest manner to provide him the nectar of knowledge and remove his ignorances. Dear students, in this poem, he talks about his human form. No doubt, I am in a human form, but I lack humanity. And if you put my human form in tests, and I will be definitely failed, and this will disshape my human form. So I am requesting, I am praying, don't put me in trials and tests by which my human form would be defamed. Dear students, so simple you have to keep in the mind that this poem is addressed to God, in which he puts his weaknesses before God and his ignorances before the God for the for remedy of these things, or Allah should remove these things, these weaknesses, these ignorances from G.A. Mahjur, who is the poet of the poem. The students, he prays that his human form should not be disshaped, and how far I live in ignorance, you should pour knowledge on me. Now, dear students, is Kashmiri. G.A. Mahjurन ची प्रेयर पोयम लिखमज G.A. Mahjur जाव 1887 मज 10 अगस्त मित्रीगाम पुलवामा साउथ कश्मीर मज 9 अप्रैल 1952 मज गुजरियो यह गो यह रखसत निम दुनिया 17 जून 2013 मज मनमोहन सिंह इस प्राइम मिनिस्टर उस ये ब्रोट सह पोस्टेज सिस्टम अम सिंदिस एजतस मज ये इशू करान इस पोयम खुदा सबस एड्रेस गसान अत मज वनान कि बह नो डाउट कि अत मज शक कि इंसान हसा सुपीरियर आसान मगर यह हसा हमेशा आसान अल्लाह ताला माथत मे हसा वीकनेसेस बह हसा इग्नोरेंट मे मज हसा जहालत मे कर सा यह जहालत दूर बह कतिस टाइमस रोज अत जहालतस मज मे हसा ह्यूमन फार्म बह हसा इंसान शक्ल मज मगर उस इंसानियत अम नश बेखबर च मसा त्रा मे इम्तिहानस मज कह अगर हसा इम्तिहानस मज मे त्रो युस मे इंसानी शक्ल इख्तियार कर्मज यह हसा गि डिफेम यह हसा गि बदनाम क्या मे नसा बह नसा हेक टेस्ट पास कर अत मज शक कि बह हसा ह्यूमन मगर इंसानियत नश बेखबर लिहाजा मे मज त्राव सा जान हुंद मस जान हुंद मतलब गो नेक्टर ऑफ नॉलेज त्राव मे उस इग्नोरेंस मेरी वीकनेसेस मेरी कमजोरी यम चीज मे अम कर से दूर But dear students, it's all about the poem. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any query, you can forward your query to me by calling or by WhatsApping, and within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared if you forward your query. But better is to see these things on your available English reference book, and also read, read these lines or sentences line by line in the tuition centers or yourself so that you can grasp the concept well. Thanks. Be well said.